I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen mask at home. First, gather all necessary equipment, including your oxygen mask, tubing, and oxygen source. Always inspect the mask and tubing for any damage or blockages to ensure safe and effective delivery. Confirm your oxygen flow rate is correctly set according to your healthcare provider's instructions. Finally, find a comfortable position, such as sitting upright, to optimize oxygen intake. Now, let's apply the mask correctly. Gently place the mask over your nose and mouth, making sure it covers both areas completely. Adjust the elastic strap around the back of your head to achieve a secure yet comfortable fit. It's important to ensure there are no air leaks around the edges of the mask. Once fitted, simply breathe naturally, allowing the oxygen to flow as prescribed. While using your oxygen mask, regular monitoring is key. Periodically check the oxygen flow meter to confirm it's delivering the prescribed amount. Pay attention to your skin for any redness or discomfort where the mask touches your face. Clean your mask daily with a gentle soap and water solution, allowing it to air dry completely. Remember to replace disposable components as recommended by the manufacturer, typically every 2 to 4 weeks. Sometimes, minor issues can arise. If you notice a sudden stop in oxygen flow, first check for any kinks in the tubing or ensure your oxygen source is active. Always confirm your oxygen tank or concentrator has an adequate supply. If you experience persistent shortness of breath or discomfort, contact your healthcare provider. For severe breathing difficulties or any medical emergency, seek immediate professional medical assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.